स्पून नहीं है क्या? वेरी गुड। बाद में सॉल्ट का चेक किया इसमें सारा कुछ?
तेल बहुत तेल।
ओके। वेरी गुड। वेरी।
So, sir, when did you started cooking?
You asking about my business or you asking when I started?
When you started and when did your business
I
start?
started when I was 19. I started my career with the Taj Group of Hotels. And business I started when I came in Canada in 1999. I started business in 2004. And for the vegetarian by nature, I just started 2 years ago. So before I have a different companies like Swagat Banquet Hall and restaurants. So I feel there is lots of competitions and restaurant business. So this trend is going right now, people service, and I feel to basically help people, students who came from India, they don't have a food. So when they go home, they have very difficulty to cook. So one day I just sitting with my family and I decided to start this.
So, what were the main challenges that you faced when you started this?
The main challenge is when we start because this is basically is a volume game, and I want to keep my cost is very low, and also I have to provide people food also is very low cost. So there's lots of problems facing in first year, like a staff deliveries, and also people all because when you give them food they have a complaint about few things. Some people are not eating lots of chili, some people are no onion no garlic one, some people have another issues.
So, how much time does it take to prepare a single tiffin and for the whole tiffins?
It's like you means it's like one package.
One package.
Yeah, I can say maybe another within minute. If you're just doing only one single tiffin, I think the minute is too much, but I think 30 to 40 seconds, and you just make plate done in 1 minute.
And for the whole production, like the total amount of deliveries?
That depends, which area is that. If it's near, it may be 5 minutes, and we have because we deliver in all GTA, so sometimes takes 2 hours, 1 hour. So we have certain times for all areas.
Do you guys really provide the homemade food?
Yes, it's a home style food.
ਉਹ ਲਾਲ ਕਿਚਨ ਹੈ ਹਰੀ ਕਿਚਨ ਆ
I'm a chef by profession, and I have experience of more than 30 years. And my family, my father, in the same business. So definitely, that's why I have more than 500 clients because I know what I'm providing and what people want right now. So definitely we provide a home style food, less oil and everything less.
ठीक है. People's health, allergies, and sentiments.
Yes. Awesome.
Are you guys concerned about allergy related problems and the people's health?
200%. Yes. When we book any tiffin for monthly basis, that's the first question we ask the customer, sir, what's your requirement? And we have a certain 2-3 plans. If somebody health problems or this and that, so we make different food for them and separately. But if people all have to ask us first, and then we provide anything they want.
Veg and non-veg.
Veg and non.
As your company's name is Vegetarian by Nature, so do you provide non-vegetarian meals as well?
Yes, we do. I have another company and another kitchen, separate kitchen for that. That's under Lal's Kitchen. So that provide non-veg kitchen, and vegetarian is only vegetarian and health conscious food. अभी सामने बताओ.
How can you say that your food is hygienic?
Yeah, when we prepare tiffin and everything, you know, even my chef, they are they are properly wearing the gloves, and you know what is the health requirements. We just carry that, we follow that, and we have a separate uniform and all chemicals here to, you know, to clean the washes before we go to use anything. We clean properly. You know what the requirement here in Canada. So this is a long procedure, but you know we follow that, and I think we are totally hygienic.
So what is the feedback of customers?
Feedback is, you know, I got call from India, and the student's mother, they call me. They say, "Thank you very much, Mr. Lal. You know, we are tension free right now because we are very tense because our kids want to eat there, right? But when you serve tiffin there, they are very happy. And I have, you know, look here. I show you here. This is hello uncle. I just want to thank you for tastiest food I have ever consumed every day. The taste only increase. I feel fortunate to choose your tiffin service. So this is a very good you know feeling for us also.
Thank you so much, Chef, for your precious time and for helping our project.
Thank you very much.